Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how to animate depth of field. So in this particular scene, I'll be making use of this my ergonomic chair that I created. So the first thing you need to do now is to add in something that we can actually animate. And I won't advise you make the focus on the actual object. So the thing we're going to do now is to add in shift A, add in an empty, and I like making use of the cube instead of the plain axis or any. The reason why is because I think the cube to me, I don't really know to me, but the cube has a wider face or something like that. So it has a 4 or more walls to target on than just the plane or any other. Although you can make use of sphere and any other thing if you wish, but I make use of cube. So now we're going to import the cube, or we're going to add in the cube. So I'm going to raise this up. I advise you kind of scale it to fit the exact object that you want to be focused on. So now, as this cube is like this now, I just need to scale this up again a bit. I should, yeah, okay, like that is okay, but I need to bring this out again so I can tell this cube from this cube. This one is the one controlling the seat. All right, so now I'm going to select my camera, and I'm going to go over to this icon that you're seeing here, this camera icon, and I'm going to click on this depth of field. So now, using this dropper tool that I'm seeing here, I'm just going to tap it and go over to this my empty that I created here and just select it. So now if I go over to one of these, either render mode or render mode, yes, there is nothing happening here yet until I increase or decrease this f-stop that we're seeing here. So if I increase it, we're going to have more of depth of field. So let's say this is what we have now, and we want to animate it to move to the other seats. What we just have to do now is select this and say I, location, rotation, and scale. I don't know, you can say rotation and scale also. Then in frame 600, we can now move this. Let me go to top view. I can move this to this position and it's going to go over there. So now I will say I, location, and rotation. For me to play this, I need to say, okay, this position is let's just start from 501. Let's say 501, enter to 600. All right, so if I play this, the animation is going to start from this first seat and gradually move to the other one. As you can see, just a simple and quiet movement. But although if you want it to be fast as well, you can still just move this one closer. So G, just move this closer and it will be fast. Like that. Alright guys, that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video and you get something out from this video, please do well to like, subscribe. As of that subscription really motivates me a lot. You guys really don't really understand, but that subscription, the views, the comments, it really motivates me a lot. So please do well to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this to your friends and others that you wish they know how to make use of Blender, because I do a lot of Blender tutorials in this channel. So if you find this interesting, please do well to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.